what do you think the biggest strength Opmantek offers to its clients?
So Keith, you addressed the technical strengths of the product and the platform, from scalability to automation and such. The things that you hand off to me is how we're delivering in the region for each of our customers. We've got a highly technical staff that is very customer focused and very customer centric. Our customer culture, our organizational culture internally, is all about making the customer successful and making the experience as best as it possibly can be. And so with our in-region staff, from our in-region salespeople to our in-region sales, pre-sales engineering, to our post-sales engineering, to our onboarding staff, and to our global support staff, every touch point that a customer has with Opmantek is always striving to be better than the last one. And so whether it's Kaizen or anything else, it's about making and creating an incredible customer experience for our customers. And we hear that a lot. We hear that a lot from them aborting other software tools or other suppliers and moving towards us, because we're just an easy team to work with. At the end of the day, people want to work with people that they like to talk to, and like to be on conference calls with, and like to be working with, day in, day out. This is a big decision for our customers to move to a new monitoring platform, something that will be in for 3, 5, 7, and as you mentioned, as much as 8 years. With that, they need to make sure that not only does the software meet their needs, but also the team, the people that they're going to be dealing with, are going to meet their needs as well. And I think right now we're tracking at a 93 to 94% support renewal rate, which is a huge success factor for me. That's how we gauge it. And I think we nail it on a lot of fronts, and we can always do better. We're always striving to do better, but we have some very happy customers that sing our praise day in and day out. But we don't stop there. We're always looking for angles, and whether it's from a software and from a development standpoint, and how we can do more for each of our customers, we're always looking for that next hill to climb, and we've got a cohesive team that does it. So thank you.